Now let me show you how to run regression analysis in IBM SPSS. So this is an interface of SPSS, the trial version of SPSS, and you can register and download it from the IBM SPSS official website as well. The interface of SPSS is quite similar to Office Excel, so if you are familiar with Excel, then the operations in SPSS should not be so difficult. In this area, you can input the data, and in the levels above, you can achieve different functions and analysis. So here, we have already collected the data about people's gender, age, height, and weight. And there are 43 respondents in all. Actually, the data were collected from my students in the class, and I collected it in an online survey. If you have other formats of data file and want to analyze in SPSS, you can also input the file into SPSS as well. You can click the file, find Import Data, and choose the format of your data file, such as Excel, CSV data, and so on. Because we already input data in SPSS, so I just skip this step and back to our data file. Now let me show you how to run regression analysis. First, you click Analyze and find the regression function. Then choose Linear, click. So here jumps out a new window. And here is a list of our variables. And here are some options you can choose. In our analysis case, weight is a dependent variable, and height is an independent variable. So we need to choose a variable into the according box. So here we click weight and choose it into the dependent variable. Just a left click. Then it's here. Next, we choose height and put it as an independent variable into this box. So we finish setting the dependent variable and the independent variable for linear regression analysis. It's quite easy, right? For the rest of the options, we just use the default options here. Then we click OK button. So here are the results of simple linear regression. And we have 4 tables here. The first table is about independent variable and dependent variable in our regression model. The second table is the summary of our model. The third table is an ANOVA test. And the last table is about the coefficient results. And for this lesson, let me cover the second table and the last table. For the ANOVA test table, let me introduce it in next lesson. Then let us focus on the coefficients table firstly. In order to show it clearly, let me copy this table and paste it in PowerPoint slides for explanation.